Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Rumble versus Skywarp. We'll dive into the core differences between these two Decepticon powerhouses, examining their unique transformations and signature abilities. From ground-shaking attacks to instant teleportation, each brings a distinct threat to the Autobots. Join me as we analyze their strengths and weaknesses to see who truly stands out in the Decepticon ranks. First up, we have Rumble, Soundwave's loyal cassette. This Decepticon transforms into a small audio cassette, easily deployed from his master's chest. But don't let his size fool you. Rumble's arms convert into powerful piledrivers. He uses these to generate devastating seismic waves, creating tremors and even fault lines in the ground. His super strength allows him to lift objects 3 times his own weight, making him a formidable ground combatant. Next, let's look at Skywarp, the sneaky Decepticon seeker. His alternate mode is a sleek F-15 fighter jet, allowing him to dominate the skies. Skywarp's most impressive ability is his instant teleportation, enabling him to vanish and reappear up to 2.5 miles away. He's armed with heat-seeking missiles and powerful machine guns, making him a dangerous aerial threat. With a top speed of 1,500 miles per hour, he's incredibly fast. So who comes out on top? Rumble is a ground-based brawler, using his seismic abilities to control the battlefield and his strength for direct confrontation. Skywarp, on the other hand, is an aerial specialist, relying on his incredible speed and teleportation for hit-and-run tactics. While Rumble causes widespread destruction on the ground, Skywarp's stealth and ranged attacks offer a different kind of tactical advantage. Both are valuable Decepticons, but their roles are distinctly different.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.